and A is non-blocking with 0. After that, dollar display, the value of A is percentage D. Okay. Uh, yeah, here B is non-blocking with uh, B is percentage D, comma A, comma B. Okay, and end module. So after executing this code, can you expect the output? What is the output? You need to select the tools Aldec Rivera, and language and libraries is system Verilog only. So after executing, what is the value of A and what is the value of this? Can you expect? First it will print X. Okay. Next. Okay. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. First, the value of A is 0, B is 1. Okay. Again, the value of A is 0, B is 1. It is executing. It is not executing the what we call non-blocking assignment. I told you like in active region. So what will be executed? So in the active region, blocking assignments, dollar display statements, and evaluation of R. Only evaluation of RHS will be done, but it will be not displayed. Okay. Suppose if I remove this, okay, if I remove this with the non-blocking, if I run this code, now it will display. Now it will display. Why? Because first it will execute in the RHS, means active region. Okay, active region, first it will execute. So again it will go to where, again it will go to the inactive region. Inactive region means some blocking assignments will be executed, and after that NBA region. NBA region means non-blocking assignments will be executed. Okay, so that is so this is the example for this code. Hope you understood why it is not executing the non-blocking assignments. Suppose if you remove this delay, that non-blocking assignments will be executed. Okay. So if you remove this delay, non-blocking will be executed, but in the active region, whatever these values are there, that will be executed. Did you understand? Shall I move forward? Okay. So here, if you see, so there is one. So one is so you can write the block diagram. So this is previous time. There is a previous time slot, and next you have preponed region. Okay, preponed region. So this in preponed region, what happens? This will stable values, sample the stable values. Okay, and next you have active region. You have active region. In the active region, as I told you, blocking assignments will be evaluated. Okay, blocking assignments, whatever the blocking assignments are there, those are evaluated, and RHS values of NBA will be evaluated. RHS of NBA non-blocking assignments will be evaluated, and continuous assignment statements will be evaluated. Continuous assignment statements, and it will update the inputs. Okay, uh, display statements will be executed. Dollar display statements will be executed, and it will update the primitives. Update the primitives. And next you have inactive region. So in the inactive region, what happens means inactive region. 1 second. Keep my charging. So in inactive region, mm, like ash 0 inactive region. Inactive region ash 0 blocking assignments will be executed. Inter assignment delays, those delays will be executed. And NBA, in NBA region, so NBA is nothing but non-blocking assignment, non-blocking assignment, non-blocking assignment. This non-blocking assignments will be executed. And next is postponed region. Postponed region. Postponed region means some dollar monitor system task. Dollar monitor means these are the system tasks. Is there any change in the if any change in the inputs and outputs, there it will display. Okay, that is nothing but dollar monitor. And dollar strobe. Dollar strobe means last updated value that will be displayed. Okay, and mm, so this will be executed. Okay, this will be executed uh, uh, in the postpone region. Okay, is it fine? Shall I move forward? Is this fine? Shall I move forward? I'm asking. Okay, yeah. So here evaluation of RHS means what? So evaluation of RHS means evaluation of RHS. So evaluation of RHS. So here A is a non-blocking with 2 means what? This RHS value will be evaluated. Okay. So this is nothing but this evaluation happens in which region means in active region. But uh, updation to this variable, whatever the value updation to this variable, okay, this updation is happening in which region? Updation in NBA region. Okay, evaluation will be done in the active region, but updation will be done in the NBA region. Okay, so that is this thing. And next, suppose here uh, if we see the postponed region. Okay, so if we see the postponed region, so same code, I'm giving some modifications. The same code. Okay. Here I'm using dollar display, and here what I'm using means as to no dollar monitor I'm using. Dollar monitor. The value of A is percentage D. B is percentage D, comma percentage D, comma A comma B. A comma B. Here I am using dollar monitor statement. Okay. And next, here this one I am initializing with non-blocking only. After 2 time units, I am displaying with non-blocking only. And after 3 time units, okay. After 3 time units, okay, 3 time units, I am displaying. Okay. So after 3 time units, I am displaying dollar display the value of the value of A. The value of A is percentage B. B is percentage B, comma A comma B. So now can you expect the output? What is the output? Here I gave dollar monitor. Okay. Here I'm changing the value. Okay, we'll see this code. I'll run this code. Error. declared 50 dollar. Oh, sorry. 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 Dollar monitor. Run this code. Here, first the A is 0, B is 1, and after time minutes A is 0, B is 1. And so here the value, that means it will go into the NBA region and the value will be updated, and after that again it will go to the monitor and the value will be updated. Postponed region means what? In postponed region, so it will execute dollar monitor and dollar stroke values, no? So NBA region will be executed, and after that it will go to the dollar monitor again. If there are any changes in the input and output, that also will be executed. That's why it is executed in two times. First, it will execute dollar display. That means this NBA region. Okay. After that, after that, it will go to the dollar monitor. That is postponed region. In the postponed region, what happens? The dollar display. So these values will be executed one more time. So if you have doubt, you can change these values, and you can check. I'm giving this is one only. Here I'm giving 0. So that will be executed. So run this code. So now, so this is nothing but this is executing in NBA region. Okay. So whatever the non-blocking assignments are there, that will be executed in NBA region, and after that again it will go to the dollar monitor. Again, in the dollar monitor, it is not executing A equal to 0, B equal to 1. It is executing A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Why? Because after NBA region only, it will execute the postponed region. So that means postponed region means dollar monitor. So these statements will be executed. That means A equal to 1 and B equal to 0 will be executed. Okay. So did you understood the concept, like first active region, next NBA region, next postponed region? Is it fine? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is about the so this is very important interview topic. Okay, this is Verilog event scheduler. Okay, this is very important topic. And so your task is, I told you, I completed with the this what we call data flow modeling and behavioral modeling. So behavioral modeling codes, some sample codes we'll see in the next class. By using this data flow modeling, try to write the code for all the combinational circuits. Can you do that this weekend task? What about others? I'm not getting any response.